In this video we're gonna see how to change the rear light bulbs on Renault Kadjar. We're gonna change the reverse light, direction indicator bulb and the fog light bulb. Here are the blinkers, on the tailgate unit are the reverse lights, tail lights are LED and we won't replace them in this video, same as the brake lights. The fog lights are down on the bumper. Let's change the direction indicator bulb first. Open the boot and on the inside find this cover and remove it by hand. Behind it, it's a plastic ball that we can undo by hand. There are also two TX20 screws we need to remove. After that we take a look inside again. Next to the place of the first bolt is the part we need to push in order to pop the rear light out. Gently tap it from the inside and when it's loose, grab the light with both hands and carefully wiggle it out. Press the connector here to disconnect the wires and subscribe if this was helpful. Rotate the blinker light bulb to get it out, and to replace it, gently push it down and rotate. Now let's check the reverse light. It's on the second unit on the trunk door. There is a plastic cover that we can pop out with a screwdriver. It's a good thing that we can see the bulb immediately, same as before, rotate and pull out to change the reverse bulb. If you need to remove the whole unit for some reason, there are 3 bolts to undo. Fog light bulbs are easy to change. We just need to get behind the bumper from under and we can see the bulb. Rotate and pull motion like with other bulbs is needed here.